A capture has crippled an already limping Northwest Health Department following a very controversial deal with the Gupta-linked Mediosa. The company had provided the province with 4 mobile clinics meant to service residents of the rural areas, but are now locked up pending an ongoing legal battle between the company and the department. The department struck a deal worth 180 million rand with Mediosa and had already paid 30 million rand for the clinics, which later proved to be substandard, and would lead to the suspension of the HOD Thabo Lekalakala and the department being placed under administration by the national government.
Gathering dust, with many residents of the rural northwest having to walk several kilometers to their nearest clinic. The controversial deal was struck without it being advertised, and the 30 million rand paid before the contract was even signed. Adding insult to injury, Lekalakala, his wife and 2 friends on an all-expenses-paid trip to India, with Mediosa footing the bill. Health Minister Dr. Aaron Motsoaledi reacted strongly.
I don't think I'll be wrong to characterize it as an ATM card through which the Guptas are withdrawing money from the Department of Health. Unfortunately, I can't describe it in any other way.
Last month, Mediosa tried to take back 2 of its clinics in Madibogo near Mahikeng, but the provincial government would have none of it.
We strongly believe that there's a good chance that they could be owing us, and therefore they cannot just take the buses away. We did something, we pay them in advance. And we want to find out if they deliver the service to the extent that, we should be able to subtract or add.
Mediosa, which has since been placed under business rescue, has invoiced the department another 24 million rand for services allegedly rendered. The department disputes this.
We must know whether they owe us or we owe them. We know the villages they went to. We also know the number of people in those villages. So we need to go through the patients they saw so that we validate and be able to agree as to the amount we owe, subtract it from what we pay them. Until then, we'll have a problem releasing the buses.
When the SABC approached Mediosa's legal team for comment in July, it said in a written response that they were most perturbed by the department's actions, which they allege is in breach of contract. They did not respond to new requests for comment. SABC News, Mahikeng.